These finally came in. I can't wait to open these. I'm so ready to install these in the car. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the videos. If you aren't already, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'd appreciate it a lot, and it'll help me out a lot. If we can at least reach 500, I think 500 would be a dope number. So by the title of this video, you guys already know that I received my Braum seats, and I recorded me going downstairs and getting them from the front office, but I was not able to do an unboxing, so it's a few days later, and now I have the perfect time.
Today I got time, cuz.
It don't matter.
I'm super hyped to unbox them, and even more hyped about installing them into my car. I'm not sure when I'm gonna be installing them, because I do need to do an oil change. I do need to change the transmission fluid in my car, because I've looked in the forums, and it recommended when you reach about 50,000 miles, which I did. It's at 51 right now, so I need to do that too. And the differential oil, fluid, whatever, I need to change that too, so I'm gonna be doing that downstairs as well. So that should be a pretty funny video, because it's in my apartment garage and it's super dark. Not super dark, but dark enough to have to use a light, and it's gonna be nighttime because I am on a night schedule. So let's get to unboxing the seats. I'm super hyped, so let's do it. So besides my exhaust, this is probably the biggest purchase I've made for my car. So this is super exciting, and it would not be possible without Shay and her parents. So thank you. I believe this is the hardware that I bought. I saw in other videos that it's always in the bottom of the seat, so people worry that they didn't receive them, but this time I guess they heard. So these are the hardware. I got one for each side, so I should be good on hardware. One thing I like about Braum is their packaging. All the seats that they send out are in this seat cover thing, which is pretty cool, so it won't mess up the seats. One seat. This was like the only place I could record because my wife is sleeping, and can't really do it in the living room because she'll probably wake up, so I'm doing it in our office slash guest bedroom, so bear with me. So I can see. Yeah, just the sliders. Also, don't forget to check the bottom of the box. There's going to be a layer of cardboard, and your sliders should be in there. So if you order sliders, they should be down there. Don't worry, they're down there. So these are the sliders. Pretty sure the sliders are in here, and these are to move the seats back and forth. So don't forget to check the bottom of the box. They're down there. Ooh, these are nice. So onto the seats. So far, these seats are super comfortable. I haven't even seen them yet, so just by sitting on them, they hug you really nice. The side bolsters are like right there, and the leg bolsters. I just feel super snug. And the one thing I did hate about my Nismo seats is when you're sitting back and you want to rest your head, you literally had to bend your whole your whole neck just to be comfortable. So these seats do not have that problem. So when I'm driving, I'd be able to lay my head back, especially on long distance. If I ever do another long distance drive, if I move again, or just go for a long distance drive. So these are gonna look so good in the car. Yo, these are tough. They send out Braum stickers, which is pretty cool. Maybe I'll put in my car, maybe not. I ain't sponsored, so. Fine. So the pictures on the website does not do any justice. These are super nice. I was debating on these just because they didn't really have black on them, and I just didn't want like super red seats, but they do have black stitching. It's super cool. Yo, these are fire. Oh my god. And these are reclinable too, which is one of the best parts, because I did not want like a bucket seat and not be able to recline and be uncomfortable. But look, these are tough. And I'm also debating on getting harnesses, which will look super sick. So maybe I'll be getting those. But for right now, these seats are so sick. I can't wait to install these. Oh my god. This is the back of the seat. It's carbon fiber. No, it's not. Still super nice, super clean. Ah. Yo, these are super nice. Yo, I recommend these seats 100%. I wish I was able to be partially sponsored, but I'm not being paid or sponsored by Braum. But these seats are super fire. For the price, they are super worth it. And instead of buying like Sparko seats or Recaro seats that are like $2,000, you get your money's worth with these seats, because I think they're totally worth it. I might go to sleep in these. I'm pretty sure it's like 7 in the morning, so I'm gonna be going to sleep soon. I could just go to sleep in these for real. So that is gonna be it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of my new Braum seats. These look super dope, and I could not be any happier with these seats. And I just want to thank Shay and her parents for surprising me on Christmas. with these seats. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button. It'll help me out a lot and I would appreciate it a lot. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully it'll be me installing these because I can't wait to install these. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out. So I changed my mind. I'm actually gonna go wake up Shay and get her reaction to the seats. I was cleaning up and I thought it would be a good little clip to get her reactions because she is the one that surprised me with them. So let's go get her. Yes. Watch your step.
Okay.
The seat's right here, so
Okay.
try not to step on it.
Ooh, they feel nice. Okay, I thought the bed was right there.
Yo.
Ooh.
How do they feel?
Oh, these are so nice. Okay, yes.
Don't they just like hug you?
Oh, I feel like a little cat. I love it. Ooh. Okay, yes. Also, if you're overweight, you will not fit in these seats because they're like on the hips.
Good thing we ain't fat.
Yeah, you right. We fit. Okay. Do I get to guess?
Like what color?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is what I've been waiting for the whole week. This is the highlight of my week. Okay, so I hope that you chose red, but I just think that they look really good. But if you didn't, I still think you made a good choice.
That's your guess, red?
Yep, red is the guess. I hope it is. I hope it's red.
Okay. Okay, open your eyes. 3. Oh, what the?
I freaking knew it!
Don't they look so nice?
Oh! Babe, these look so good.
I was like iffy between like, there's 2 red seats. These and the other ones. And I just went with these because like I was on a budget, but they look so much better.
They look so good. Honey, I'm actually really glad that you got the red seats.
It looks so good in the car. I can't wait to put them.
And they're comfy. I like. And you can recline.
Yeah, you can.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot.
Okay, yes. From the outside looking in, these are gonna look so good.
They are.
Even when you look inside the car and you're inside, it's gonna look so good.
If you guys didn't know, I got a little Frenchie. She's 8 months old.
She's the light of our life.
And she's crazy, but she's the sweetest dog ever. Say hi, Riley. So give this video a big thumbs up for Riley.
Yeah.
She's probably gonna be more in the videos because she'll give me some clout because everyone loves Frenchies.
I mean, who doesn't love a dog in a video? If you don't, you're heartless.
Okay, Riley, you ready to close it out? Okay.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.